Hey, my movie lovers! Welcome back to Quiz Slice. Get ready to test your brain, your ears, because today's quiz is all about Guess the Movie. Can you name the movie before time runs out? Hit like if you love movie quizzes, subscribe for more fun challenges every day, and get those fingers ready to comment your answers fast. All right, lights off, volume up, let the guessing begin. Guess the movie. Cute overload incoming. Do you recognize this cinema world? Yes, that's Gabby Dollhouse. Too easy for you. Dark magic, big emotions. What movie is this?
And be wonderful.
Trust me, it's fun!
Correct. It's Wicked for good. Your theater sense is strong.
And be wonderful.
Trust me, it's fun!
Listen closely. This beat isn't ordinary. Boom! K-pop demon hunters. Sharp ears. Hold up, can you name it? Absolutely right, it's Zootopia 2. Those sounds should scream the answer. Recognize it?
Someone took a big L, don't know how that felt. Looking at you sideways, party on 10.
Yes, sir. Into the Spider-Verse. Legendary film.
Someone took a big L, don't know how that felt. Looking at you sideways, party on 10.
Would you rather Miles Morales or Gwen Stacy? Two spider icons, two totally different vibes. Who's your pick? Drop it fast. Team Miles or Team Gwen? Very familiar soundtrack. Can you guess the movie through it?
To the light side, it's better on the bright side.
Correct. Zombies 4, Dawn of the Vampires. Nice catch.
To the light side, it's better on the bright side.
Oh man, that voice just gives it away instantly, doesn't it? Yup, that's the SpongeBob movie. Childhood vibe. Ocean, courage, destiny. Say the name.
And no one knows.
Right on the spot. It's Moana.
And no one knows.
Choose your version of the Moana movies. Is it the first one or the second movie? Which Moana movie are you locking in? Tell us in the comment.
If the wind in my sail on the sea, please be
One note is enough to know this one.
Show yourself.
Exactly. That's Frozen.
Show yourself.
Hotel monsters. These two words reveal it all right? Correct. It's Hotel Transylvania. The Super Mario Galaxy. That jump sound is iconic. Yes, Super Mario. Gamer instincts undefeated. Oh man, this one is just too easy. Yeah, that's Sonic in his own movie. Time to focus up. One of these doesn't belong. Found it already? You're insane. The vibe from this song is unmistakable.
Surf till the sun sets beyond the horizon.
Correct. That's from Lilo and Stitch. Island vibes forever.
Surf till the sun sets beyond the horizon.
Smooth and charming criminals.
We're gonna be good tonight. We're the good.
You got it, boss. That's the bad guys. Clean guess.
We're gonna be good tonight. We're the good.
Blocky world. Endless builds.
La 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 lava. Chicken. Steve's lava chicken.
Yes. Minecraft movie. Crafting brain activated.
La 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 lava. Chicken. Steve's lava chicken.
Pink is everywhere in this movie. Can you guess? Exactly, it's Barbie. Fashion radar flawless. Choose your dance between the Barbies one and the Sonic ones. Barbie dance versus Sonic dance. Style groove or speed chaos. Choose your dance energy now.
I stay on the beat, you can count on me. I am missing no steps. 'Cause they're
Oh my, the beat of this song just hits different. What is the name of the movie again?
I don't want my life ruled by some queen. Look into my eyes, see the fire.
Right! Descendants, The Rise of Red. Nice one.
I don't want my life ruled by some queen. Look into my eyes, see the fire.
No pressure, but I guess you already know this.
Family.
She was about to tell us about her super awesome
Oh.
Yes, it really is Encanto.
Family and...
She was about to tell us about her super awesome gift!
Oh.
Spot the differences between these two images. Remember those tiny details, mate? Found them all. Respect. Can you drop them answers down the comment below? New emotions, huh? I wonder which movie talks about emotions.
Dancing. Life is sweeter when you're dancing.
Correct. Inside Out 2. You're a genius.
Dancing. Life is sweeter when you're dancing.
The song somehow tells everything here. Right? That's the dance from Wednesday 2. Fire meets water movie, name it. Bingo! Elemental, obviously. Ooh, real juicy voice. Do you recognize this movie?
High five!
Clap along if you feel like happiness is.
Correctamundo. That's Despicable Me 4. Minion approved.
High five!
Clap along if you feel like happiness is.
3 grew images, but only one is legit. Can you tell which one it is? Big brain moment revealed? Of course it's C. That's his real outfit. That dramatic pose gives it away. Hell yeah! That's Puss in Boots. I love Puss in this movie so much. Living toys? Say no more.
Some other folks might be a little bit smarter than I am.
Yup, that's Toy Story.
Some other folks might be a little bit smarter than I am.
One scream, one door. Easy, right? Oh yeah, that's Monsters, Inc. Laugh Factory Online. What an amazing song! Can you tell this movie's name?
The answer to a never-ending story.
Correct! Stranger Things. You're a Hawkins expert.
The answer to a never-ending story.
Space, mystery, and alien name the movie.
Quisiera compartir contigo palabras y silencios míos que nadie me conoce.
Yes, Elio.
Quisiera compartir contigo palabras y silencios míos que nadie me conoce.
Rate the song Quiero Ser Tu Amigo. How hard does this song hit? Fire, good, may, bad, or awful? Be honest and drop your rating in the comment below. One guitar note says it all.
Though I have to travel far, remember.
Correct, Coco. Musical soul confirmed.
Though I have to travel far, remember.
That voice, that tower.
All that time, never even knowing just.
Yes, tangled indeed.
All that time, never even knowing just.
Tensions rising through this song. What show is this?
누구십니까? 꼬마.
Correct, that's Squid Game, Season 2.
누구십니까? 꼬마.
Which one would you rather choose? Squid Game 2 or Squid Game 3? Choose wisely. Your survival depends on it. Arcade vibes loading.
Welcome back, watch your head. Hate to see you end up dead.
Let's get this party.
Correct, Wreck-It Ralph. Gamer heart spotted.
Welcome back, watch your head. Hate to see you end up dead.
Let's get this party.
Lastly, Banana Chaos activated. Yes, Minions. Certified silly guess. And that's a wrap, Movie Masters. How many did you guess right? All of them? Or did one totally trick you? Drop your score in the comments. Tell us which movie fooled you the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next quiz slice, because the next round might be even harder.